Hey everyone, I'm Sherry with SheriTV. It's so great to have you back for another Fashom unboxing. Fashom is a non-subscription service, so you can request a box whenever you'd like. And I have a discount code for you to get $25 off your first box. If you're interested, all you have to do is click my link down below. Now, the cool thing about Fashom is that your first styling session is actually always free. Not the clothing inside of it, but the $15 session fee that's charged by your stylist typically is completely waived. So if you want to give it a try, you can certainly go for it. All right, so we're going to do this a little differently today. I'm doing what we call a reverse unboxing. I actually already unboxed everything and tried it on. So I'm going to give you my opinions. That way you don't necessarily have to wait to the end for just a try on and then not really know what I picked. I'm going to tell you and show you pictures throughout the video so that you can see what they look like on me and see if you agree with my decision. So the first item here, I'm going to look at my little invoice and note from my stylist, is called the Elle Love Divina Tier Dress, and I am keeping this item and I've hung it on a hanger so that you can get a little bit of a better idea for what it looks like. You can see here's the top. It's slightly tapered in. It's not like a racer back look, but it's slightly tapered. So the top is just this really pretty satiny finish, and then the bottom has these really cute little ruffle details on it. I really loved this one, and I am definitely going to be keeping this. I'm going to hand this now to my lovely assistant, Mr. Cruz Sips TV, who can just put it anywhere he'd like. That is definitely a keeper. The next item is the Naked Zebra Lena surplus dress. Oh, and by the way, that dress that I just showed you, full price, would be $52. But of course, with Fashom, you get discounts for keeping more items. So make sure that you look at the website about that when you sign up, because you will get more. I'm going to read you the full price for the items, then you'll have a general idea. So let's look at the Naked Zebra Lena surplus dress. Now you'll notice this one isn't on a hanger. I did try this one on. It's absolutely beautiful, but just didn't quite fit me around the hips. So I'm going to send this one back. That is the beauty of a styling service, is that you get to try things on in the comfort of your own home. And usually you find some gems, but you can't always expect that everything will fit. And that's what happened with this one, but it's so pretty and I really love the color. The next item today is the Naked Zebra Polka Dot Shift Dress. I was so curious about this because with Fashom, you actually get to pick your items. Your stylist selects several things for you, and then you get to choose from those items which ones ship. So when I saw this cute dress, I thought, ooh, that is so my style. First of all, it feels very cottony. It doesn't have that polyester fabric that I don't like to have too much of that. And it has this darling little back detail, and I absolutely love back detail. But the thing that really sealed the deal for me when I tried this on was, you guys, it has pockets, and I love it. So this is probably going to be packed in my next vacation bag. It's cozy, it's cool, it's breathable, and it's just perfect for going into summer. So this was a keeper. All right, the next item I have right here is another dress. Oh, by the way, I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting to tell you the prices. The Naked Zebra Polka Dot Shift Dress that I just held up with the pockets is $42, and the blue one that I didn't keep is $44. This next item is $39. This, my friends, is the Naked Zebra front button dress with back cutout. Again, I love back detail. I love how breathable this is. It has pockets. It feels cottony. It doesn't feel like fake fabric, right? And back here, it has this really tiny, subtle back detail. And when I put it on, the back detail wasn't super obvious. It was really nice. If you're looking for something that's a little more modest, this doesn't show your whole back. It's just a cute little peekaboo. This dress, you guys, would be so fun if you paired it with a really fun belt, because it fits nice and snugly and kind of contours the waist. I think a belt would just look great. A belt to maybe match or complement the shoes. This is gorgeous and an absolute keeper for me. The last item is the most gorgeous color, and I'm really wishing that I was going to keep this, but the fit was just a little off. This is the Gilly Jamie tank top, and I am so into this bright yellow color this season. It just didn't quite hit me right on the chest, and that just sometimes happens with tanks. So I'm opting to send this one back even though I really love the color, in hopes that my stylist might send me something in this bright yellow color in the future. I'll make sure that when I check out, I'll let her know how much I love this color and that I want to see it again. So those are the 3 items that I'm keeping. I was very, very happy with this box. It was so summery. It was so me, and I just really appreciated the more natural fabrics that my stylist put forth on this one. What else do I want to tell you about Fashom? Well, you know that you're going to use my discount code below for $25 off your first box, but what I didn't mention is that the company, Fashom, donates $1 from every box to Second Chance Rescue in New York City to help little pups. So we love that. Also love that I get to pick my items. I think that's just the best. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you got a Fashom box recently, tell me what you received below, and be sure you're following me on social media. I've got a trip coming up and I'd love for you to follow along. You want to go to Instagram or Facebook at Cruise Tips TV. We'll put it in the description of this video, as well as all the discount information you need. Thank you so much, and until next time, go do something beautiful.